Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoTypeSaga. Today I'm going to tell you how to create a good standard thumbnail for your YouTube using Adobe Spark. So let's start. First, open your Google browser. I have already done it. Then type spark.adobe.com. Then click on the add icon. Custom size graphic. Social post. YouTube thumbnail. Next. So now I'm going to tell you the 3 valuable points a YouTuber must know. First, know that a good thumbnail should describe your video the best way it could describe it. Second, it should attract people to watch it. Third, a standard thumbnail should not look like a mess, as for it would not be likely attracting your viewers. So next, I'm going to use colors. Use this, or this is better. Next, I'll be creating a layout. This looks good. And colors. Yeah, this looks attractive. This is better. Yeah, this looks good. And then I'm gonna add text. Text. I'm gonna keep it here. Font. I'll be using Lado. Then text again. You can also remove the watermark. Remove. Let's set it. Now I'm gonna add my logo. Move freely. I'll make it more remain attractive. So I'll be adding icon, star. Yeah, that's good. I'm using it here. Duplicate. I'll be changing its color. This is nice. Same here. So yeah, I've shown you a simple thumbnail. Your text should attract your viewers. Next, download it. PNG is best. It's downloaded. So thank you friends. The video was all about this. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment my channel. Bye bye for now.